Sina po di sari sari jani ko. Mudi loire mai muthalani step sing do fazana follow tawdi dum how do ni. Sigi home je senarga ngasidi pork thongse ai thongdarage noyam yengo aduga yumda try tawsalo hawi haute comment ta haidaro hapchalasi orjididi thongdarage si pork se hapchallaga otkhai birani aduga khang da fadana makum khumjan miraga thamgarni mata Now I put the chili. It's gonna be very spicy. Next. Sing jalani, sing jalaga pungkai yang sekonjeni aja kok. Makum kum jalaga.
You put all the. Aduga marakta sigi soibum makang mudi sing the ting na thamine bako. This is dry bamboo shoot we're gonna put here in the pork. So we're just soaking in the water. Yes, good more of the log 20. Wow, masak sidi fajare. How to male? So guys, एक मोरो से लग थो दुनी सिदा तखाय रखने दुगा Yes, मोरो तो को लोरे guys, एक हम आपसे दुनी No, good enough.
We expert now the pork is 2 grams change ko aduna then zik morok se ko the later ba shi morok sine ba ko aina nai khai du jai tare je takhai ga ko gi paste sem de ni ba zik takhai ba morok de ni hapchan de ni bi sang bra hapchalage ये कंजले से पोक दिया हम मुल्ला बने Pork's almost cooked. Now we are putting this dry bamboo shoot which we soaked in the water before. कोई इंजांग जे मचू फजनवा है तारे कोई चिली पाउडर अथित पर देखो सीजे सीजे ओ इधर कर सीगितांग है चल लगे खाई भी रहा để nó khai rồi bác được cả rồi yeah now we're going to put this garlic now so here oh it's a bit sticky oh
this. Udah tuh cak lamom dong male. Ayo lame. Then I think today's dinner I'm gonna eat so much, yeah. So now I'll put here we have ginger and a garlic here. So I'll put garlic little. This one is enough for 1.5 kg. This will, yeah, now I put the garlic, then I'll close it for some time. Now we're gonna open the pork and we'll put the ginger. So before, yeah, oh, sauce here. This is the ginger. So I put ginger. Then I'll mix it nicely. So bumiro mama nakan nagkam jalle so di dum yadong male ko gi si dinner je de post ta male en khanda ko je injang de loi ne ai de ai si lo ko ni afet okai again. Then, oh, she's put all this hard, Johnny go. Here we have pork with dry bamboo shoot. Yay! She's just laughing. Still hungry, man. After seeing this.
Looks tasty, huh?
Whoa, so there. This is the pork we cook. Expert na hire gat thong wani na how do male de. Ama di taste story na do how right tare. So let's see. Cha mu yeng ase thong di loi ra mai mu thala ni. Step sing do. Fazana follow to di dum how do ni. To thong ba loi ra, sile ra. Sita pork matum le ra. And then this is like Naga Style Pork we're cooking here. Koi expert na hire thok mane ko. So we're going to start eating now. I'll just taste it one piece and then I hire ke basi ki pork se kamai tawge do. Pada mulle pressure cooker ka magi type ta mulle basi ki pork se kamra. Auga masai koi ni chawin gi da doi ni ba da thum dei na half ki minute kalak ta ma le. Kabu bro. How's it?
So tasty.
I'm just cooking like Naga style only.
Yeah.
Like I never cooked like this before, but I learned from you guys and then I'm cooking only. So
This is like authentic Naga dish.
okay, very good. Like ingredient we use here is like pork, garlic, ginger, dry bamboo shoot, chili, that's it. So that's it. We don't use any masala.
Simple.
But it's very good, yeah. Super. You can try it in home.